Today, I'm showing you how to make all your TikTok videos private at once on your Android device. Let's get started. Important note: TikTok doesn't allow you to delete all videos at once. You must delete them one by one. However, you can make all videos private so only you can see them. Step 1. Open TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Open Menu. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 4. Access Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy from the menu. Step 5. Open Activity Center. Step 6. Manage Post Visibility. Scroll down and tap Manage Post Visibility. Step 7. Select All Videos. You'll see a list of all your TikTok videos. Tap the circle on each video to select it, or use Select All if available to choose all videos at once. Step 8. Tap Next. After selecting all the videos you want to hide, tap Next at the bottom. Step 9. Choose Privacy Level. You'll see privacy options. Step 10. Tap Only You to make all selected videos private. This hides them from everyone else. Only you can see them on your profile. Step 11. Confirm. Tap Save or Confirm to apply the changes. All selected videos are now private. To delete videos permanently, if you want to delete videos completely, you must do it one by one. And that's it. You've successfully made all your TikTok videos private on your Android device so only you can see them.